Reef is currently trading about 2 cents, guys, with a current market cap of $316 million. Well, it is currently ranked 175 on the list of cryptocurrencies. But before the trading and hodlings, guys, what is Reef? Reef is a reliable, extensible, efficient, fast layer 1 blockchain for the DeFi, NFT, and gaming network. Built using Substract framework, it provides high scalable, enabling almost instant low cost transactions and supports Solidity and MVM, allowing developers to seamlessly migrate dApps from Ethereum without any change in the code base. If you guys want to learn more about it, guys, what it is, this Reef this. There's a lot of information about Reef on Coinbase market cap, which I will have the link below. But let's see what markets they are on. So we got Binance, guys, Uniswap, QB Global, Get.io, KuCoin, FTX, and Bitfinex. What else we got? Poloniex, PancakeSwap. Let's see, Wazerex. So we got a plethora of different platforms you can trade or hodl this on. Also, let's see their price ratings. Once again, another cryptocurrency without one doesn't mean it's a bad or a good one. I prefer cryptos with a rating, but if you guys find a rating online, just tell me and we can check it out. So when it comes to their news, guys, I didn't see any new news when it comes to on Coinbase, CoinMarketCap, but I did find some relevant news on their website. So let's head there. So their website is really cool. I like this whole beginning right here. But the new news that I was talking about is this version 8 that has been updated. Let's check that out. So if you want to see the new version that they have that's been updated, please check this out. It's on their website. I'll have a link below. Also, if you want to check out some of their blocks that have been processed, you can check it out here. It's on their website. I have it linked below to check out if you want to read more in detail more about their cryptocurrency. Let's check out their Twitter and Reddit page. They have 221,000 followers. A lot of their with their news. Also, that Reef Chain VA is now live, so please check that out if you guys get into Reef. Also, follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. I talk about politics, trading, cryptocurrencies, a lot more than I do on this channel. So please check that out. Also, here's a Reddit page, very similar to the Twitter page. A lot of stuff that's happening. You can check their blogs and stuff like that, their games, all that stuff. But let's get to that price prediction, guys, finally. All right. So before we start talking about the daily, one of my favorite time frames, let's look at the monthly. Now the monthly has been pretty spectacular. Look at the first month, how it went down like pretty much 0.0025 all the way up to about 30 cents. And right now Reef is currently trading at about 2 cents, bouncing off. Now my price prediction, since we're looking at the monthly, is going to be a little bit lower, but I'll break that down once we hit the daily. All right, here's the daily. Let me make it look a little bit more clean for you. All right. So I use a super trend and also Fibonacci's on this. We're looking at this chart right here. You guys, if you guys can see, it's currently almost about 2 cents. Now you see these wicks. Usually there's a lot of pressure pulling you up away from it, but it's actually slowing down and looking ahead to incorporate more shorts down. So my price prediction is going to be much lower. It's going to be at this bottom at the 1.1198, or just say 0.011. The reasoning for that is because I know they have that the new update just came out, but if you look at the amount of time this has been downtrending, this trend is not going to. It seems like it's not going to stop. And if it's not going to stop, it is fine. It's how crypto is, and I don't like trending against the trend. The trend is your friend. So my estimation is that it's going to head down here. And if it does, and if I'm wrong, it's fine. It's trading. You're not going to be 100% correct all the time. But if it does, this is what I'm going to do. My price prediction is lower. It's going to be like the 0.11 cent level. But when it goes down to the support zone, which you guys can check on the daily. Let's move over here. So you guys want to see it the top like this. So if it heads down to the zone right here, that's where I'll be placing a buy limit. And from there, I'm not going to do anything else. I'm not going to do anything when it comes to like adding more to the trade or hodling way down. I'm just going to wait down there because I don't like to trade against the trend. And seeing all this right here, this is a good indication that it's heading down lower. And if I'm wrong, I'll do an updated video on Reef saying like, hey, incorrect. This is where it's going. Sure, let's check it out. But for now on, I would place a buy limit down here. But most likely, I'll just do a price alert. I'll just place a bunch of price alerts so it hits down here. So if it goes down there, I'm like, okay, my phone's notifying me. My phone's notifying me. My phone's notifying me. I'm like, okay, cool. Maybe it's time to place a buy limit. Place the buy limit. If it hits down there, move, and I'll be hodling this position because I don't like it. Down below is way worse. So I'll be hodl position. If it hits down lower, then that's where I will manage that trade. And if it heads up higher to fill in this gap up to here, then I can start moving the trade around, taking off profits and stuff, and letting the trade run. That's the price prediction, guys. 0.011. Any questions or comments, drop them below. We can have that conversation. We can talk about their updated version to their crypto, or we can talk about how they're going to be doing other things. So let me know. Let's get to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. AndreJMcClendon.com. This is where I can. On here, I updated the fiber contacts. So you guys are looking at doing some stuff for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, programming. We can have a conversation how I can help you, look at your code, or I can just create it for you, and we're gonna have that contract for that. Also, some MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 stuff, my crypto portion that I'm updating currently still. And if you guys want to open up an account, crypto account, or Forex or stocks, you can do that from here. Or if you guys want to get on my education and learn more about Forex, you can do that, or have a one-on-one session with myself on a monthly basis, on a daily basis for 1 month. You guys can do that. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, and I will see you guys on the next one.